AI never sleeps, and this week is insane. Two new image editors, a tiny model that outreasons giants, and apps running inside ChatGPT, plus a drag and drop agent kit, Google's free workflow builder, new video models with sound, and wild robot demos. If you care about AI tools that save time and help you earn more, hit subscribe to AI Quick Pro and watch till the end. Skip a small detail, and you could miss something game-changing. Here's our roadmap. ChatGPT apps and the app SDK. OpenAI's Agent Kit versus N8N/Zapier. Fresh API updates, reasoning, video, voice, image, a new state-of-the-art image generator/editor, a 15B thinker model you can run locally, paper to video with your face/voice, a character mixing video model, NVIDIA's reasoning-based image editor, Google's visual workflow builder, a free Grok video tool, Samsung's tiny recursion model, and a fast robot roundup. Thanks to HubSpot for supporting today's video. They've got a free resource, Master AI Agents in 2025, with a playbook and a checklist that'll help you scope, implement, and measure agent projects. I'll show you where to grab it when we hit the Agent Kit segment. OpenAI added apps in ChatGPT. Think Canva, Spotify, Zillow, Expedia, inside the chat. Open ChatGPT. Apps. Create a 30-minute upbeat playlist for deep work. Chat calls Spotify, returns a playlist. Upload a doc. Turn this into a slide deck. Chat calls Canva. Auto builds slides right in the chat. Travel plan? Find 3 hotels under $200 in Austin next weekend. Chat calls Expedia/Zillow Aero options appear in chat. Apps roll out to free users too, outside the EU, with EU coming soon. Question: what workflows could you retire if your tools lived inside the chat? App SDK MCP for builders. OpenAI shipped an App SDK built on MCP. In plain English, build mini apps with custom UI plus logic that ChatGPT can call. If this platform pops, the early builders will have an advantage. Just like early mobile apps, click Start Building, open Quick Start, scaffold a tiny demo app. Pro tip, ship one valuable action first, e.g. generate contract, send for e-sign, then iterate. 0335, Agent Kit versus N8N/Zapier. What's actually different? OpenAI's Agent Kit includes an agent builder, drag and drop logic for agent tasks, and Chat Kit, embed your agent in web/app. It looks like N8N/Zapier, but it's agent-centric and tightly coupled to OpenAI. If you need broad third-party integrations or model freedom, N8N/Zapier still shine. If you want fast agent prototypes where users already chat, Agent Kit is slick. Flow. Trigger arrow. Parse goal arrow. Call tools arrow. Summarize arrow. Hand off via Chat Kit. Tip: add human-in-the-loop checkpoints on the canvas to prevent runaway actions. API highlights, reasoning, video, voice, image, big headlines you'll hear this week. Advanced reasoning model, API access. Excellent on math/science/coding benchmarks. Priced for premium use cases. Takeaway: only use it where accuracy gains pay for cost. Sora 2, API Plus, Sora 2 Pro. Text to video with scripted dialog plus SFX. Pro outputs up to 1080p, approximately 15 seconds. Watermark present. Use cases: short app promos, motion logos, product stingers, GPT Realtime Mini, lower latency voice interactions at lower cost. Use cases: kiosks, voice agents, quick talkback bots, GPT Image 1, Mini, faster, cheaper image gen for thumbnails/variants at scale. Luminina Demu, state-of-the-art. Image generator and editor. This one does both text-to-image and text-driven edits. Think add a bike, repaint the wall, extend the edges. It handles tricky composition, text rendering, and supports control signals. Edges, depth, pose. Food photo. Add diced mango, blueberries, honey drizzle. Precise output. Inpaint missing area, fills naturally. Outpaint square, cinematic 16:9 panorama. Style transfer via reference image. Local note, model set approximately 17 gigabytes. CPU offloading may help lower VRAM setups. Creator angle, batch extend product shots to 16:9. Auto layout adds social creatives. Apriel 1.515 billion thinker. Tiny model, serious reasoning. A 15B parameter reasoning model that competes with much larger models on tough logic math benchmarks. trained with careful data design and large-scale SFT, no RL, and open source so you can try it locally. Hugging Face, download Quantize Build, run in LM Studio/Alama. Great for on-device coding/math copilots without ongoing cloud costs. Paper to video, your face plus your voice. Convert a scientific paper into a narrated presentation.
Welcome to my presentation on paper to video, automatic video generation from scientific papers. This work is conducted at the Show Lab, National University of Singapore. My name is Ziyu Ju, presenting together with Kevin Ching Hong Lin and Mike Zhang Shou. The motivation arises because academic presentation videos are valuable, but producing them is highly labor intensive. The manual process is time consuming, requiring design, recording, and editing for every video. The key challenge is automating this multimodal, long context task without available benchmarks or metrics. We ask what defines a good academic presentation video, and can we generate such videos automatically from papers? Figure 1 summarizes paper topics, slides per video, and video lengths in paper to video benchmark. Paper to video includes one-on-one research papers with author, created videos, slides, and metadata. The dataset covers diverse AI fields, ML, CV, NLP, and enables evaluation of long context, multimodal video generation. Each paper averages 13 3K words, 44.7 figures, and 16 slides with 6-minute presentation.
Slides, transcript/subtitles, plus a talking avatar of you. Pipeline, slides builder, transcript/subs, voice clone, plus lip sync, cursor timing, final video. Heads up, setup calls for heavy VRAM, think workstation class. Perfect for class talks, lab updates, conference intros produced in minutes.
This presentation introduces the forward algorithm and summarizes key investigations. The work is by Geoffrey Hinton, Google Brain.
Mix characters' styles inside one video. Think Mr. Bean inside Tom and Jerry, or blending 2D characters with photoreal actors in a single scene. Paper and repo exist. Full code/release is TBD. Creative teams can storyboard bold crossovers, then lock brand/tone before production. Since agents are a theme, here's that free HubSpot media pack. Master AI agents in 2025. It explains agent mechanics, real marketing, sales, ops use cases, and common pitfalls like over-automation. Links in the description, NVIDIA Chrono Edit, image edits that reason over time. Chrono Edit imagines a short sequence of your edit, camera move, hairstyle change, object insert, to keep physics and identity consistent, then lands on the final frame. Examples: swirl paints, change hairstyles, move camera, insert objects while preserving lighting/identity. Why it matters: better synthetic data for robots/autonomous driving, e.g. arm picks up pot, sedan turns left, without filming thousands of edge cases. Google DeepMind Code Mender, autonomous vuln hunter, chalker fixer. An agent that scans code for vulnerabilities, proposes patches, validates, retries, and hands a clean patch for human review. Powerful, and a reminder that strong fixers can also be strong breakers. Expect careful access and guardrails. Humanoid robot roundup, deep robotics. DR2, waterproof/dustproof. LiDAR plus depth plus wide-angle vision, stairs/slopes. Spec approximately 20 kilogram payload. Operates from about -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, even in rain or dust. Figure 03, home focus, soft surfaces and foam protection. Demo shows dishes, laundry, folding, beautiful polish, Watch for continuous uncut demos next. Cyan Robotics, Orca. Expressive Gates, Happy, Tired, Angry, Monkey King. Fun Research, Practical Value, TBD. Apps inside ChatGPT, agent workflows going mainstream, creative models leveling up, and tiny brains doing big reasoning, Wild Week. Which part blew your mind? In-chat Canva decks, the tiny recursion model, or paper-to-video with your own avatar? Tell me below. I read every comment. If this helped, like the video so more builders find it, subscribe to AI Quick Pro for weekly practical AI plus automation, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive.